Hello, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 schedule not running on Windows 10. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Let's start our video. Guys, first you need to click on here, type here to search, and here you type services, then click on it. Wait till this open. Then you have to find schedule. Just you need to click on it. Guys, you need to click on task schedule, and guys, you can see here I have no problem, that is you are not seeing. You need to click on this tab automatically, then click on start, then click on apply, then click on OK. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification. You get a new and fresh video of technical. Thank you.